In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a protected range in a Google Sheet. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to edit data within a sheet but can't because it's locked, this guide is for you. Sometimes, for various reasons, certain cells or even entire sheets are protected to prevent changes. Luckily, if you have the correct permissions, you can easily remove these restrictions. So let's walk through this process together, ensuring it's as clear and simple as possible. First things first, you'll need to open the Google Sheet you're working on. Make sure you have access to this sheet and the necessary permissions to modify the protections in place. If you're having trouble finding the document, try searching for it in your Google Drive by using relevant keywords. Once you've got your sheet opened on your screen, we'll move on to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top menu of your Google Sheet. You'll want to click on Data. This option is typically found towards the center of the top menu bar. Clicking Data will reveal a drop-down menu, and within that menu, you'll see the option for Protect Sheets and Ranges. Go ahead and select this, as this is where we'll find the protections that have been set up on your sheet. Once you've clicked it, a sidebar titled Protect Sheets and Ranges will appear on the right side of your screen. This is your control panel for managing any protections within your Google Sheet. Within this sidebar, you'll see a list of all the protections that exist on this document. Each entry will show a brief overview or description thought helpful by whoever set it up. At this point, scan the list to find the specific protection you're interested in removing. Click on the protection to highlight it, and you'll notice that the sidebar will display more details about that particular range or sheet. Here's where you take decisive action. Look in the sidebar for the icon that resembles a trash bin. This is the delete or remove protection option. In some cases, it might only say remove protection. Click this icon or link to start the removal process. At this point, you might see a prompt asking for confirmation. Saying yes or confirming the action will complete the deletion process. This safeguard ensures you don't accidentally remove protections that are still necessary. And just like that, your range or sheet is now unprotected. The lock is gone, and you're free to make the changes you need. Removing protections can open up collaboration, but it's always good to consider the reason a range was protected in the first place. Share your changes with stakeholders or teammates, and enjoy the increased flexibility to work on your sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.